Welcome back to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, I am in Mandeville, Manchester. Yeah man, you know it's Mandeville, Manchester, you know it's the coolest parish in Jamaica. So we're gonna take a tour on Fisher Road. So you know Fisher Road is about 5 minutes drive to Mandeville town. So take a tour guys. Remember, if you learned something about this community and also about Mandeville, please share the video, like and subscribe and press the all button. So as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. So enjoy the tour with your True Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. So I'm just taking the time out to show you different areas in Jamaica. I know a lot of persons want to come home overseas, they want to buy land into an area, so I'm giving them the chance to see what's taking place and how the area look. So thank you guys for stopping by. Anyone who watch from yard or abroad, big up on yourself. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. So I want to thank you all, big up on yourself. Straight out of Jamaica from Fire Reid, one love and one heart with people. As you know, Jamaican always say, yeah man, be careful when not drive on the road. Speeding always kill, so you have to look out on the eyes of people. And always use up on the horn. Very important also your signal when you're driving. Yes, my beautiful people, so when you want some place to stay in Mandeville, you can check out Chappick's View, Gulf View Hotel, Mandeville Hotel, and many more places you can check out. And also a lot of Airbnb in Mandeville, Manchester, so you can make a search and you will see the different location. Mandeville is a very nice place, and also when you're in Mandeville, you can take a trip down into the St. Elizabeth area. Also in the Treasure Beach, also YS Falls. Yeah man, need to check out them places when you go St. Elizabeth. Yes my people, so I'm just can like up the video, free of cost. So YouTube can get to recommend this video to other persons who want to see our beautiful island Jamaica. Yeah man, Mandeville, nice, cool Mandeville. Look at this beautiful area. Natural beauty also.